Morning students, previous class I have explained that is our probability chapter. Now we have to study about our next chapter, that is data handling, chapter number 15. This chapter already have studied in previous class, also in class 6 I think. In that there also we have to make the tally mark of any given data is given, any information are given. You have to draw tally mark and pictograph like that, and you have to draw the bar graph. So same chapter carry forward for this class also, data handling. In this chapter we have to learn about first of all mean, median, mode, and then bar graph. So first of all I will explain bar graph, that is last exercise is exercise 15D, and previously that is 3 exercises there, 15A, 15B and 15C. That will be I will do after half yearly. Okay. So in half yearly only I will explain data handling, that is based on bar graph, that is exercise 15D. So just first of all I will introduce this chapter and then go for bar graph. So just listen, this is data. What is definition of data? So data is a collection of information of any organization or any group, or you can say any school or any institute, is called data. For example, we can take any in a school has different class, and in each class has different sections also. So each section has different number of boys and girls. So like that, these are the information. These information we are stored in the system or in the record. That record is called data of any school or any class or any institute. Okay. So information about students, information about teacher, information about student parents. So these are the information are called data. Okay. Now range. The difference. Next definition is range. So range means limitation, means highest value to lowest value. How many length, how many differences are there? So definition of range is also like that. The difference between highest value and lowest value is called range. So for example, you can see from this here some information are given, some data are given 2, 4, 9, 7, 1, 0, 3, 12, 33. So these are the information are given, these are the data are given. So highest value of in this is 12 and lowest value in this is 0. So just we have to find range. So for range, highest minus lowest, you have to use like that. So 12 minus 0, so range is equal to 12. So like that you will find the range of any information or any data. Now we have to study about bar graph. So just I will write definition of bar graph. Bar graph is a graphical representation of data. Means we will represent the data into bar graph. We have to draw in the graph only. Okay. So only this exercise will come in the exercise in the half yearly, that is 15D. Okay. In that 15D, different we have to draw the bar graph like that. We have to do the practice. Same types of question will come in the exam also. Similar types of question. So just I will explain definition of bar graph. Bar graph. So definition of bar graph, it is graphical representation method. It is graphical representation of data. Graphical representation of data. Graphical representation of data. representation of data. When it is in rectangular form, which is stand on horizontal axis or vertical axis. Means just I will make a graph like this. This one is vertical axis. This line is called vertical axis and this line is called horizontal axis. Okay. So or we can name this line as a y-axis. So always remember vertical axis is y-axis, okay, and horizontal axis is x-axis. And where we are both axes are intersecting as a perpendicularly, means there 90 degree angle will come. Both axes are intersect at perpendicular. So this point is called O, means origin. Means in this point x is also 0 and y also 0. Value of x is also 0 and value of y is also 0. After then this one will positive like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that will come. And in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this y axis also. So upper part will be positive and lower part negative. Here x axis right side is positive and left side will be negative. So I will not draw for negative because in bar graph there will be no any negative number will come. So it will be positive only. And on the x axis maybe number will not come sometime. Most of the cases in bar graph in this axis we will write the name of the different components. Or depends on question which type of components are given, which type of information are given on the table. So first of all in the question table are given. Already you will get the table from the question only and you have to draw the table. After then draw the bar graph, and in bar graph whatever components are there, just each that component you have to write in the x-axis, and whatever number are there you will write the number on the y-axis. And depends on the number you will take the class interval, means class size. So how many interval we will take. Right now I have taken 1, 1, 1 and here also 1, 1, 1. But depends on the question, if value is given higher value, so we will draw the class interval as 10, maybe 10, 20 like that, or 0 to 5, 5 to 10 like that, 5, 5 there, or maybe 100, 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300 like that. Maybe 1000 also, maybe 10,000 also. So depends on value of the information given in the table. Okay. So after this part, now I will go for exercise 15D. So that's all for the basics of definition, everything. Now I will explain in next video exercise 15D. That's